Continuing with a street food theme, this time I'm going to show you how to make quick and easy Currywurst sauce. If you don't know me yet, my name is Marta from Cooking the Word and I am food guide here in Frankfurt. On this channel we help people who like to cook, eat and travel to find traditional recipes and places to eat traditional food. If you have been to Germany and you are a lover of street food, for sure you have tried this German specialty which is called Currywurst. I have talked about the history of the Currywurst already in my sausage video, so if you would like to get some insight of this, I will put the link to this video down below. This week I would like to show you how to make this delicious German specialty at home. Currywurst is a sausage that is cut into cubes and covered with a wonderful tomato and curry sauce. Currywurst was invented in Berlin, but nowadays it is popular in the whole country. So if you have some spare bratwurst and you would like to try something new, go ahead and make the sauce with me. For the recipe, we're gonna need vegetable oil and onion, sieved tomatoes, sugar and tomato puree, chicken broth, paprika powder and Worcester sauce, your favorite curry powder, salt and optional lemon. And as always, you will find the link to the recipe down below. At the beginning, we're going to preheat the pan and wait until it's hot. Then we're going to preheat some oil. Now it is time to add the onion and put a bit of salt. After about 3 minutes, we are ready for the chicken broth. And right after this, for the sieved tomatoes. And of course, tomato puree. And before we start simmering the sauce, we're gonna add Worcester sauce and paprika and curry powder. For the sauce, I use middle spicy curry powder. That smells really nice. But I smell that the sauce gonna need some salt, and after this we're gonna leave it for about 20 minutes. Don't forget to turn down the heat. And now it is the time to season the sauce. For this we're gonna need some sugar. This is exactly the consistency that we are looking for. You don't want the sauce to be too thick, but also not too watery. Or liquidy? How would you say that? Anyway, let's taste the sauce and see if we need additional salt or lemon. This is so beautiful, guys. This is seriously the most beautiful sauce I've ever made, I think. So for the currywurst, we obviously gonna need a sausage. The sausage is usually fried on the pan, but trust me, I don't need extra fat at this time of the year. So this is our beautifully grilled sausage, and now we're gonna cut it into cubes. Take the small bowl and place the sausage in it. And now watch and learn, my dears. For the extra kick, I've seen that in those currywurst shops, they put curry powder directly on the sausage. For this, I use the extra spicy one. Then we're gonna put our sauce and a lot of mild curry powder. Remember, this is how I like my sausage. You do with these curries whatever you like. At this point, your currywurst is ready, so grab some Bauernbrot or fries and enjoy it. If you like German food, there is a great group on Facebook which is called German Traditions and Recipes. So as the name suggests, people share there the great traditions and recipes from Germany. If you are interested in joining the group, I'll put the link down to it in the description box down below. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And at this point I was wondering, what is your favorite street food from Germany? I really wonder if you have tried something what I haven't tried. What is obviously with those regional differences possible. Anyway, if you like street food and you are coming to Frankfurt, we have prepared a street food guide where you can find our favorite vendors and dishes that we recommend. If you would like to get the guide, please subscribe to our weekly newsletter. I wish you all a happy week, safe travels, and I see you in the next one. Bye!